In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Word document into 2 columns or 3 columns or thereabout. Now, let's say we have this section or this document, and I want to convert everything to 2 columns. So I can come to the layout over here, and you can be able to see columns. You can see columns over here. This is 1 column by default. You change it to 2 columns, you can see it's just been changed to 2 columns. If you change it to 3 columns, you can see it is now 3 columns. And you can play around with the to the right as well. You can skew it to the right or to the left depending on your choice. Okay, to the left you can skew it to the left, and you can have custom number of columns by coming to more columns. Now you can define the number of columns. Number of columns, you can make it 3 by default, or you can make it 4. Once you say okay to this, it is now 4. And at any given point, if you want to go back to a single column, you can just come over back to 1 column, and you're now back to where you started. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.